the path is uncertain and the road feels long, I hear your voice calling, leading me home. Through every valley, through every hill, I'll follow you, Jesus, and trust in your will. I'll follow you, Jesus, wherever you go. Through every trial, through high and low, your love is my guide, your light is my way. I'll follow you, Jesus, today and every day. The world tries to turn me, and I start to stray. You hold me close, you show me the way. With every step, your love is so near. I'll follow you, Jesus, with no fear. I'll follow you, Jesus, wherever you go. Through every trial, through high and low, your love is my guide, your light is my way. I'll follow you, Jesus, today and every day. You are my Savior, my Shepherd, my King. In your arms I found everything. No matter the cost, no matter the cost, I'll follow you, Jesus. I'm never lost. I'll follow you, Jesus, wherever you go. Through every trial, through high and low, your love is my guide, your light is my way. I'll follow you, Jesus, today and every day. With all of my heart, with all that I am, I'll follow you, Jesus, in your perfect plan. The waves rise high and the night feels cold. When the weight of life becomes too bold, I run to your arms where peace is found. In your embrace, I'm safe and sound. In you I am safe, Lord, unshaken and free. Your love is my anchor, holding me. No fear can prevail, no storm can take. In you I am safe, Lord, for your name's sake. When the road is rough and my strength is weak, your voice restores me, teaching me to seek. You light the path with your endless grace. In you, Lord, I found my resting place. In you I am safe, Lord, unshaken and free. Your love is my anchor, holding me. No fear can prevail, no storm can take. In you I am safe, Lord, for your name's sake. Your promises stand unchanging, secure. Through every trial your love will endure. I'll trust in your power, forever I'll sing. You are my Savior, my everything. In you I am safe, Lord, unshaken and free. Your love is my anchor, holding me. No fear can prevail, no storm can take. In you I am safe, Lord, for your name's sake. Through all of my days, your peace I'll embrace. In you I am safe, Lord, in your holy place. The night feels long and my strength is gone. When the shadows whisper you don't belong, I lift my eyes to the heavens above. There's a glow that surrounds me, your light, your love. I see your light, Lord, shining so bright, breaking the darkness, turning wrongs to right. It warms my soul, it sets me free. Oh, your light, Lord, is all I need. In the storms of doubt, when the winds are cold, your light is the flame that I can hold. Through every valley, your promise stays, guiding my heart to brighter days. I see your light, Lord, shining so bright, breaking the darkness, turning wrongs to right. It warms my soul, it sets me free. Oh, your light, Lord, is all I need. No fear can stand where your light breaks through. Every chain falls at the sight of you. You're the dawn that ends my longest night. Oh Lord, you're the giver of life. I see your light, Lord, shining so bright, breaking the dark. the silence, in the stillness of the day, when the weight of life feels too much to pray, you remind me, Lord, you're never far. Your love keeps reaching right where we are. Lord, your love's reaching where we are. Through the brokenness, you heal each scar. Your grace unending, shining like a star. Lord, your love's reaching where we are. In the struggles, when the road feels steep, when the heart is heavy and the soul can't sleep, you lift us up, you make us whole. Your love's the anchor for every soul. Lord, your love's reaching where we are. Through the brokenness, you heal each scar. Your grace unending, shining like a star. Lord, your love's reaching where we are. No place too far, no depth too deep. Your promises, Lord, you always keep. You light the way, you calm the storm. Your love transforms, your love restores. Oh Lord, your love's reaching where we are. Through the brokenness, you heal each scar. Your grace unending, shining like a star. Lord, your love's reaching where we are. Reaching where we are, lifting every heart. Your love's the fire that lights the dark. Forever faithful, forever true. Lord, your love is all we need in you. Reaching where we are, lifting every heart. Your love's the fire that lights the dark. Forever faithful, forever true. Lord, your love is all we need in you. In the stillness of the night, when hope feels far, I see your hand, Lord, reaching where we are. You speak the truth and shadows fade. Your love ignites a brighter day. You're breaking the darkness, lighting the way, chasing the fear, bringing hope to stay. Your power shines, your mercy flows in every heart. Your glory shows us. When the trials rise like a raging sea, your word storms of life start raging strong, and it feels like everything is going wrong. You whisper softly through the noise and pain, you're not alone, I'll guide you again. You remind me, Lord, of your endless grace. Your love is my refuge, my safe place. No matter the burden, no matter the fight, you remind me, Lord, I'm held in your light. When I stumble and feel I've lost my way, you lift me up and teach me to pray. Your promises stand, they never fade. In your strength, my fears are laid. You remind me, Lord, of your endless grace. Your love is my refuge, my safe place. No matter the burden, no matter the fight, you remind me, Lord, I'm held in your light. Through every valley, through every test, you hold me close and give me rest. Your word is truth, it never fails. Your love forever prevails. You remind me, Lord, of your endless grace. Your love is my refuge, my safe place. No matter the burden, no matter the fight, you remind me, Lord, I'm held in your light. You remind me, Lord, to trust and believe. In every season, your peace I receive. Forever faithful, forever near. You remind me, Lord, there's nothing to fear. In the stillness of the morning, as the day begins to rise, I hear your gentle whisper calling through the skies. You're leading me to purpose, your voice so clear and strong, guiding me with love, Lord, where I belong. I hear your call, Lord, it's ringing in my soul. You're drawing me closer, making me whole. Through the noise and shadows, your words break through it all. I'm running to you, Lord, I hear your call. When the road feels uncertain and I'm lost in the night, your voice becomes my compass, my beacon of light. You speak of hope unending, a grace that never fails. Your love is my anchor when the tempest prevails. I hear your call, Lord, it's ringing in my soul. You're drawing me closer, making me matter the pain. Your call reminds me of eternal gain. I'll follow you, Jesus, wherever you lead. Your voice is my comfort, my every need. I hear your call, Lord, it's ringing in my soul. You're drawing me closer, making me whole. Through the noise and shadows, your words break through it all. I'm running to you, Lord, I hear your call. Forever I'll follow, your name I'll recall. With all of my heart, Lord, I hear your call. When I feel lost and the road is unclear, when I'm surrounded by doubt and fear, you remind me, Lord, that you're always near. No place too far for your love to appear. There's no place too far, no valley too deep, no mountain too high, no soul you won't keep. Your love is relentless, a light in the dark. Lord, you've proven there's no place too far. In the silence, when my faith feels weak, you whisper softly, child, just seek. Through every trial, you've carried my heart. Your love assures me no place too far. There's no place too far, no valley too deep, no mountain too high, no soul you won't keep. Your love is relentless, a light in the dark. Lord, you've proven there's no place too far. Your arms are wide, they're holding me still. Your grace will find me, no matter the hill. You conquered the grave, you shattered the chains. Your love forever remains. There's no place too far, no valley too deep, no mountain too high, no soul you won't keep. Your love is relentless, a light in the dark. Lord, you've proven there's no place too far, no place too far for mercy to flow, no place too far for grace to grow. Forever and always, right where we are. Lord, you've shown us there's no place too far. No place too far for mercy to flow, no place too far for grace to grow. Forever and always, right where we are. Lord, you've shown us there's no place too far. The winds howl and the storms rage on. When I feel weary and my strength is gone, you are my refuge, my hope revealed. You're my shelter, Lord, my shield, my shelter, my shield, my fortress of grace. Your love surrounds me in every place. In you I am safe, in you I am healed. You are my shelter, my shield. When the shadows fall and fear takes hold, you light the path and make me bold. Through every trial, your truth is sealed. You're my shelter, Lord, my shield, my shelter, my shield, my fortress of grace. Your love surrounds me in every place. In you I am safe, in you I am healed. You are my shelter, Lord, my shield. No weapon can harm me, no storm can stay. Your power protects me, you lead the way. Forever unshaken, in you I'll stand, held by the strength of your mighty hand. My shelter, my shield, my fortress of grace. Your love surrounds me in every place. In you I am safe, in you I am healed. You are my shelter and my shield. You're my shelter, my shield, my constant guide. Forever in you, Lord, I will abide. Through all of my days, your love is revealed. You are my shelter, my shield. I'm walking through the fire, feeling all alone. The weight of the world cuts right to the bone. I hear you whisper, a gentle embrace. Your love is my anchor, my saving grace. Your love is holding me, Lord, lifting me high. Through every shadow, you're my clear sky. No fear can bind me, your arms set me free. Your love is holding me, Lord, eternally. When the winds rage strong and the storms appear, I feel your presence and I have no fear. You carry me through with unshaken light. Your love surrounds me, my guiding light. Your love is holding me, Lord, lifting me high. Through every shadow, you're my clear sky. No fear every shadow, you're my clear sky. No fear can buy